A little short and sweet one now. We're going to look at On1 Photo Raw, and we're actually inside. We're not actually in Photo Raw itself. We're actually just in the effects plugin, which I'm running directly from Lightroom. But effects is obviously part of Photo Raw, and version 2025 is out really soon. But here's something that I'm just going to do very quickly in 2024. So I want to add a little effect here, and what I want to do is I want to come down and have a quick look to effects here, and I am specifically looking to get some flares. So we can use lens flares or sun flares, and I think I'm actually going to go to Sunflare with this one. A few different options here. These are categories, so if I click bokeh, that will go into bokeh. But then I can come across here to styles and into the actual Sunflare, and I can choose a different one from here. So we can fly through here, and actually that one there really strikes me as really nice. Don't like the way that it's got this tight edge here though. That doesn't look good to me. So I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the scale and bring that up. And then I'm going to bring the opacity back down again. Okay, and I'm happy with what that's doing. I love the warmth that's balancing against the peacock gel tone that I've used in the original shot. So that is excellent. And I'm just going to click to return, and that will bring me, that will apply it, and it'll bring me back into Photoshop where I was working from. And let me just pull Photoshop here across here for a second. And here we are back inside of Photoshop, and we can see that I have created a new layer, and it's just there. That seems to have the old uncropped background there, but there we go. So that is the difference that it has made to the image. I love that as well. So that is just a very quick look at adding a sun-based flare inside of On1 effects, which can be done obviously in On1 Photo Raw as well. Like I said, you can of course get On1 Photo Raw 2025 now basically on pre-order and have that ready to go, and I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link for that as well, where you, but if you're just buying generally, you can get a discount, but it may be different as well because there are offers on for this.